Rivers State Commissioner of Police CP Nwonyi don tok say the police command dey ready gidigba to smoke out all the bad people from where dem dey hide for the state. CP Nwonyi tok dis one for one tok with 3 people for Port Harcourt. The CP wey be the 44th Commissioner of Police for the state come declare war against bad people for the state and come still tok say im go make the state hot for their body so dem no go fit stay for Rivers State again. E come also tok say im go collaborate with the Police Community Relations Committee and other stakeholders for the state to fight crime. The CP come still tok say im no get tolerance for corrupt police officers for the state and come still say im go give ogbonge attention to human rights.
I shall uphold the tenet of democratic policing and ensure that innocent citizens don't suffer infractions from my officers. No effort will be spared in dealing with all criminal elements in the state. A total war is thus declared against violent crime, armed robbery, cultism, kidnapping. To ensure a successful execution, we shall synergize with other sister agencies. And to battle with perpetrators of this heinous crime, Rivers State shall not be inhabited by criminals. And I will spare no effort in smoking them out of their hideout. In line with the IGP's directive, my administration has no room for corrupt officers. Head of departments as well as the DPOs has been warned to closely monitor their men while a monitoring team will go around to apprehend erring officers. Members of the public are free to report the conduct of such officers to the members of the management teams.
From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojesali, TMC TV News.